In this video, we will be changing or upgrading the RAM of the Esprimo V5535. Here we go. Here on the back side of the laptop, we have a hard disk here, battery here, and this is the main panel. This contains most of the stuff like processors and RAMs, wireless LAN module, and everything. All you need is a simple screwdriver, and let's open it up. Now, be careful in this stage that you don't slip the screws. If the screwdriver slips once or twice, you might think of changing the screwdriver size or applying a bit more force, like and opening the screws. Let's take out the screws first. Alright, nope, one is still in there. There you go, that's it. Okay, to open the panel, be very careful when opening the panel that you don't break it. Place your hand here and pull it gently. Make sure that you pull it evenly till you hear these sounds. There we go. Here we have the RAM. It's hot. To release these RAMs, just push these pins. I'm not sure if you can see them focusing. This one, and here we go. The RAM is released. Yes, easily take it out and put it in. Putting back in. Just push it like this till you hear these clips. Now that we have upgraded our RAM, put back the panel as carefully as we had taken it out. And that's it.